Hey, this is Part 64 Guy, and today I am helping out a local artist. She does the model horses, painting, sculpting, and she just got a new phone and wants some help with putting on a screen protector. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, screen protectors do come in different shape, sizes, and mounting techniques, but the basic tends to be the same, and that's what I want to kind of show today. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the cover that comes with the phone, take that off, and we have to clean the screen. And then we're going to take what comes in the, came with this one here, this Ailun, or Ailun, whatever the brand name is, off Amazon. Comes with a wet wipe, a dry wipe, a dust absorber. I've used these before, so. I like to use compressed air as a final way to get the stuff off. And then, of course, there's the screen protector itself. So, without further ado, let's get to work. Okay, so first step is we're going to start with the wet wipe. Also, wash your hands beforehand, because it's not so much you're worrying about germs, it's more you're worried about oils and dirt that will make the cleaning process that much harder. So we start with the wet wipe. We're going to get all that dirt. Okay, we do that. Now we do the dry wipe. Once again, the screen protector you order may or may not come with these. So just in case you need something, another option is the microfiber cloths. You can see how nice and clean the screen gets. I also have a work light set up because the more light I can put on this, the better. Because I want to make absolutely sure there is no dust or dirt or particles or anything on this. So, and I can see that there is. So now I take the air. What I'm doing is I'm using the light reflection to see if there's any dust. This is probably the hardest part of this whole process. Because any dust that is in the air will settle right on it. And I could see that another speck has just fallen on it again. Okay, so the way this works is there's an adhesive on there. I have to peel this off and then line it up and stick it down. So I'm going to get this, try to get it as get it lined up as best as possible. And then, not sure if you can see, but you can see the, as it's adhering, and we do have a little bit of a bubble here, so we have to kind of urge that out. Some may have a tool that you can use. So I'm just going to kind of guide. I have to guide the bubble to the end. Come on. Just going to get in there just a little bit, just pulling up on the edge just a little bit to kind of help guide that out. Okay. Much better. All right, so now this is still wet, so I'm going to just wipe down the screen protector a little bit because there was a little bit of marks on it, plus I have my fingerprints on it. Alrighty. And We also got a cover, or a case. This is the case I have on my phone, or the style case. It's by Spec. I like them. They are thin, but have a good grip pattern on it, so it doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone. So I've been pretty pleased with mine. My phone is over 3 years old. It is starting to show some signs of wear and tear, but overall I would say I've been very pleased with it, because you do have a good grip on the phone without adding a lot of bulk. So there we go. What do you think? Is it good? Okay, good. I got the nod of approval. So there we go. So that is putting on a screen protector and getting a case, because especially with some of the newer phones, that especially if they have the camera that is protruding from the back, you want to make sure you protect those. They actually do have lens protectors on some of these, available for some of these cameras as well. I would recommend it, because you don't want to get that scratched and then that's going to ruin it for you. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and like all my other videos, if you see any things I could have done better, please let me know in the comments, because it not only is for my education, but also for other viewers of the video, that they could see that, hey, my way is not necessarily the right way, that there could be a better way. But I figure I do these videos because I want to show people that they may have an option to do something that they previously thought was beyond their capability. So that's about it. So again, thank you very much for watching. This is Par 64 Guy, and I'll see you on the next one.